This is a 2018 FENT 516 VARIO in a PROFI spec. So it's 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower with a 50k VARIO gearbox. It's equipped with front linkage. It's in good condition, just missing some of the grey paint in the usual places. With a manual top link, front PTO, one front hydraulic service, and a return, a front light socket and external front linkage control. So a hydraulically suspended front axle with pivoting front mud guards. The front grille and bodywork's in really good condition. No signs of rust, dents or scratches. It's got halogen front work lights. Front tyres, Michelin 540/65 R28. Is in really good condition, about 80% tread, if not higher, with no large cuts or bulges on fixed rims. This tractor is loader ready with all the brackets and plumbing already there. It's diesel and AdBlue. Cab glass around is immaculate. It's twin LED beacon. Rear tyres are Michelin 650/65 R38. Again, in really good condition at about 80 to 90% tread. It's a sliding bar rear axle, and it has got rear wheel weight carriers. It's got halogen rear work lights, and then on the rear fenders you've got external linkage and PTO control on both sides. Cat 3 rear linkage, air and hydraulic brakes, 3 rear spools. It's got a suspended cab, and there's a bit of wear showing on towing hook. A few scratches on this right hand rear fender. Rear right hand tyre also in good condition. Got the split glass mirrors in good condition both sides. Exhaust stack isn't showing any signs of rust or dents. And you have got the quick release couplers for the front loader fittings. Right hand side bodywork's immaculate. There are some small scuffs just here by the front lights. So in the cab there's 516, the trim and plastic's in really good condition, no large tears or scratches. Passenger seat is immaculate, got a Grammer air suspended and heated seat. Headline is in very good condition, no large stains. You've got air conditioning and a Bluetooth radio. You have the smaller VARIO terminal, all electronic spools. It has got all the wiring harnesses for Trimble third-party guidance, and it's done 3,878 hours and starts to run as well. So this 516 is currently in stock at our site in Littleport, and if you'd like any more information or you would like to come and look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Stanton.